Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2025 COPO Corvette is a track-focused beast designed for pure speed and adrenaline. With an aggressive front fascia, massive air intakes, and a low-slung aerodynamic profile, this Corvette is built to dominate the drag strip. The sharp LED headlights and sculpted hood give it a fierce look, while the lightweight carbon fiber body enhances both speed and efficiency. The widened stance and custom drag-specific wheels ensure maximum grip, making it a true powerhouse straight out of the factory. Every line and curve of the COPO Corvette is designed for performance, making it a showstopper on and off the track. Inside, the 2025 COPO Corvette is all about function over luxury, built for serious racers. The stripped-down interior features racing bucket seats with multi-point harnesses, a roll cage for added safety, and a minimalist dashboard focused on performance telemetry. The digital instrument cluster provides crucial real-time data like RPM, boost levels, and track timings. Weight-saving measures, including the removal of unnecessary comforts like infotainment and climate control, ensure this Corvette is all about raw speed. The drag-focused cockpit is engineered to keep the driver in control under extreme acceleration and high-speed runs. Under the hood, the 2025 COPO Corvette offers multiple high-performance engine options, including a supercharged 5.7-liter V8 and a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter big block, delivering immense horsepower and torque. Designed specifically for drag racing, the engine is paired with a race-spec 3-speed automatic transmission for lightning-fast shifts. A specialized high-flow exhaust system and upgraded cooling components ensure maximum performance under extreme conditions. The COPO Corvette is built for straight-line speed, with a specialized suspension and launch control system optimized for explosive acceleration. At the rear, the COPO Corvette features a massive parachute system and wheelie bars, showcasing its track-focused nature. The aggressive diffuser and drag-spec tires provide incredible stability, while the lightweight rear wing adds downforce for optimal control. With its extreme power, aerodynamic design, and track-specific engineering, the 2025 COPO Corvette is the ultimate machine for those who live for quarter-mile domination. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.